Hey, what's up YouTube? Just want to do a quick review on this DupliColor, kind of like a Plasty dip. Not sure, it's like a removable coating, but painted my truck last night. I'll be the first to tell you that I did a shitty job on it. Only took me about 30 minutes altogether. Painted all the chrome on it, did the bumpers, the wheels, just try to black it out, give it a little bit better look. Did the front bumper and the grill. Just an old work truck. I want to try to dress it up a little bit without spending money. The cans were $9 a piece, so 18 bucks and about 30 minutes worth of work, and gave an old work truck a different look. So I'll do a quick review on it. You don't even have to mask it off. You just wait till it dries a little bit and rub off what you painted that you didn't want to paint. So any excess that you get on anything with a dry rag, it just wipes right off. So don't have to mask anything off or tape anything off or do a lot of prep work. But up close it's not perfect, but from afar it looks pretty decent. But there you go, guys. If you don't want to do something that's not permanent, you could literally just spray it on any of your paint. You could do stripes with it, and when you're tired of it, you could peel it right off. Hope you liked the video. Y'all have a good day.